There's always an ominous sign when you see buzzards flying about. Andros turkey vultures. Frig you, boy. You're not gonna eat me. Old carrion eaters. Yahoo! Ow! 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 Hmm? Yes, yeah. Then we can jump across on the other side. Then we go up there. That's where some bonefish look like. See that? Look at that. Your load has been shot. Such dastardly talk. How does the woman shot her load? You're going to Clam City. I think clams should be loaded with iron. That's not good. This is not Bikini Bottom. What you say, Josh? Think we see Patrick? I didn't see Patrick. Not one starfish. You should be happy. The heat won. LeBronia won, man. Stop calling him LeBronia.
I guess he's a winner, Josh. Don't worry about it.
Ronnie? The salties. Yeah, for a bunch of old men, we ride y'all hard though. Ride y'all balls to the ground. Oklahoma Thunder will take care of you now. Shit. Oh, first oxide, you. Yeah, it looks like a ghost ship. See the clams? Oh yeah, look in there. I got it. Look inside there, Josh. You see that? All pirates goes! Relax. I'm on you. I got you. Throw it over. Old pirates ghosts of yore. Be brave, son. For a 7-year-old, you're doing pretty good. I'm going on the other side for you. Let's go. Got you. You good? Alright, watch the weather. Put the line out.